Listen to the sounds of the domestic goose. Domestic geese, like other waterfowl, can produce a variety of sounds to communicate. Some common sounds made by domestic geese include honking or hissing. Geese are known for their honking sounds, which are often loud and can be heard from a distance. It's a form of communication within the flock. Clucking. Geese can produce clucking sounds, especially when they are content or feeding. This is a softer and gentler noise compared to their honking. Gaggling. Gaggling is a series of honks and cackles, usually produced when geese are excited, alarmed, or trying to get attention. It can be a bit more chaotic in nature. Alarm calls. Geese may make specific alarm calls or loud honks when they sense danger or perceive a threat. This is a way for them to alert the flock to potential dangers. Contentment. Sounds. When geese are calm and content, they may produce soft murmuring sounds or gentle honks. The specific sounds can vary between different breeds of geese and individual birds, but honking is a common and distinctive sound associated with them. Did you know that? Flock of geese was used to guard the parked aircraft in South Vietnam during the 1950s. Because of the ability of these birds to produce loud noise and keep intruders on a safe distance.